Muriel, can you give us an example of a successful design project that, what are the tangible returns that the customer experienced?
Yeah, so one example that comes to mind is a project that I worked on for the redesign of an internal dashboard for a call center. And this client was using 3 to 4 different applications and multiple monitors to achieve the same tasks that we essentially fit onto one screen. And between 2020 and 2023, call wait times for that customer actually reduced by 67% and saving them a
Hmm.
ton of time, freeing up the call center agents to be able to assist more customers and
So,
making
so
their
you're saying
workflow
just
more
by
efficient.
you're saying that by putting things together in a more intelligent way,
Yeah,
the call center attendant was more efficient and able to answer the calls 67% fast. I mean, that's like instead of 2 minutes, it's
yeah.
1 minute, or instead of 10 minutes, it's 5 minutes. I mean, that's huge.
Yeah, because they literally would have like 3 or 4 different open tabs or different monitors that they would do something over here or
Mm,
look at this over here and just kind of like very distracted sort of workflow. We put it all together just on one screen and we
hmm.
were able to reduce it and simplify it so that they really just had to look at the one screen on their monitor. I think they
Hmm.
do have like a second monitor that they have for like
Hmm.
something else now. It's just freed up a lot of time, just allowed them to just be able to help more people at a quicker
Hmm.
pace. So, yeah.
So that's huge. That's huge.
Yeah.
That I mean, that's like in. So if they wanted to double in size, for instance, they could do it with half the amount of people, or they
Right.
could, or just even the frustration level. I mean, there's a point when that stuff starts snowballing. If you're answering the questions twice as fast, that actually could mean that not just that it's a 10-minute wait versus a 20-minute wait. I mean, it could be if you don't have enough people and it starts piling up. I mean, it could be like a 4 hour wait versus a 20-minute wait because you didn't pass that point of no return where it starts snowballing. I mean, that's huge.
Yeah.
That's a great return on investment.
Yeah. Really exciting.